The 2021 Mazda CX-5 outperformed its rivals in a new, tougher crash test. More on that in today's Driving Innovation segment. The Insurance Institute for Highway Safety put 20 small SUVs from the 2020 and 2021 model years through its updated side test. The test now uses a heavier barrier at a higher speed. The only vehicle to earn an overall good rating was the Mazda CX-5. The Institute's president, David Harkey, explains.
The Mazda CX-5 was our top performer in this inaugural round of newer, tougher side impact testing. The vehicle structure held up extremely well during the test. The airbags did a really good job of protecting the heads of the crash test dummies, and there was very little intrusion into the occupant compartment, meaning less likelihood of injury. This is how we would like to see all vehicles perform in the future.